my lovely kids. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Yes, that's nice. Today in this session, we are going to learn a new letter. And what is that? That is letter U. So, do you want to do the rhymes? Yes? Very good. Let's do. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. When it starts to rain. Once more. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. Up umbrellas. When it starts to rain. Very good. You have learned from these rhymes the sound of letter U. The sound of letter U.
Umbrella. Up. Umpire. Under. Unhappy. Underwater. Uncle. Find the letter U.
First we will find the capital U. And there are 4 capital U in this picture. And you have only 20 seconds to find them. So are you ready? Go! Did you find them all? Let's circle.
Circle on the sky. Circle on the tree. Circle on the stone. Circle in the water.
Now we will find small u. So there are 3 u in this picture and you have to find. Okay? And there are only 20 seconds to find them out. So ready? Go! Did you find them all? Let's circle.
On the umbrella. On the boat. On the girl.
Did you enjoy the game? Yes? Very good. Clap for yourself.